How to optimize Squarespace website for mobile. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss this exactly and what you need to do. So by default, it should be optimized by default because Squarespace does a great job. But sometimes it does actually get a little bit buggy and the mobile view is not really as responsive, it's not as clean. So what do we do in this case? What we want to do is just click on edit like we would with our, normal Squarespace website. And then we just want to switch to the mobile view. Now, what we see on desktop is not going to be the same as what we see on mobile when it comes to sizes, spacings, padding, that kind of stuff. But the content is going to be the same. So here in desktop, everything is looking clean and so on. But on mobile, I did actually have to make a little bit of mess on my own just to demonstrate. So for example, here we have a lot of space in between these two sections. So what I would do in this case is just decrease the space by just holding this icon and dragging it as much as I can. And then we can see here that we also have this section here which is taking a lot of space as well. We just want to decrease that and try to make it as compact as possible. Same goes here. We just want to make it super clean. This one here is going to be on the left side more. So what we want to do is just either resize this to be also full screen like so, but this does not really look good. So instead, I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. And also from the left side, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And now you can see that it is super clean and centralized. And we can just go ahead and basically just go through them one by one and see what is actually not going to look good for mobile. You can also change the header and how it looks like, the layout of it, by just clicking on edit site header in the mobile view. And now you should be able to edit design, and you're just going to be able to find a bunch of different layouts here, for example, to choose from. And you can even open the menu and adjust the text size here if you want to, and change the buttons and stuff. This is again completely up to you. Now, what you can't actually do here, and it's just going to it's going to actually affect the desktop view, is going to be if you delete a specific piece of content. For example, if we just go to mobile view here and delete this image entirely and switch back to desktop, it's going to be removed. But resizing is completely fine. So now I hope that you understand what I meant with that. And with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.